Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to be doing a handrail post at the bottom of a staircase. This one is a little funky and it's rocking like this, which means you can tell it's rotted off at the ground. It's also got a fancy hoop-de-doo here. I'm going to show you how to cut that. Let's get to it. So we've got this guy here. You can see it's got the little angle pyramid cut. Well, it's not a pyramid, it's four sides, so cone, I don't know. So apparently this shape doesn't have a name. It's a prism with a square bottom. Either way, we've got the top shaved off on all four sides, and then it's got another little bevel inside. So I'm gonna measure how far down that bevel is so I could get it right for my new post. It looks like it is about 3 inches down. First, we're gonna draw a line all the way around the post so I can be cutting my rectangular prism all at the same height. I'm gonna do like so. Next, I'm gonna set my saw to a 45. All right, now I'm gonna set my 45 mark right there on my line, and I'm gonna use my square as a guide so I can keep it straight the whole way. Nip off the little flat side there. Now I'm gonna measure the 3 inches down so I can get my fancy bevel. Okay, there's my bevel line, and we're gonna walk it around just like we did on the other one. Now I'm gonna do a 1/4 inch above and a 1/4 inch below so I know where to set my saw. Now we're still gonna cut on the 45, but this time we're gonna raise our blade height so we don't cut all the way through the post. Probably need about a 1/2 inch of the blade going in. Now we're gonna come on the other side and cut the top line of our bevel. This is where it would make it great to be left-handed, but I'm not, so we're gonna do the best we can. That was pretty good.
Dead solid perfect.
Now we're gonna use our Sawzall and we're gonna cut the handrail from the post. Post goes back in the hole. Now we're going to secure the handrail with deck screws. So that's it. We just replaced that handrail post at the bottom of the stairs. We got that funky triangular prism cut with the fancy bevel. And now, because you replaced it, you can avoid that pesky slip and fall lawsuit from Grandma. So for the Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.